Hi, my name is Jen Burton and I am your Scentsy upline. And today I want to show you how to set up a party order on your workstation. So first you go to workstation.scentsy.com. You'll put in your consultant ID number and your password. You'll click on Orders and then create a party. I'm going to set one up in my name. If it was for a host, I'd put the host name. If it was a fundraiser, I'd put whatever the name of the fundraiser is. This is the party that's going to show up when you share this link with people. So I'm just going to put my name. I'm going to actually put number 2 because I already have a party set up on my website. And I always have an open party for myself, and that way, as I get random individual orders, I can apply it towards that party and get host rewards on it. So I'm going to put in my information. If you had a host, you'd put the host information. And then it's going to take you to this page. This is where you can customize your party page if you want. You want to make sure that this is checked to yes. That way it will show up on your website. PWS means personal website, in case you didn't know. Like, this is the workstation that we're in right now. The website is where you'll send customers to actually order. Okay, and then here you can customize the party messages if you want. You can make a little video. You can feature products. And then put the end date of your party. These will only stay open for 90 days. If something's left open after 90 days, it's going to delete. So you want to make sure that you have it closed by then. So I'm going to put like the end of December. And then I can always close it sooner if I want. Continue, and then it's that easy. Right here's that custom link. This is the link that you'll want to share. You can share on your social media. You can private message it to people. You can text it to people and say, hey, I'm doing a Scentsy party, or I just started a Scentsy business and would like you to take a look at my website. So here's that. So I'm going to copy that link and show you what that looks like now. So paste. So this is going to take you to my website, and you're going to see right here's where your parties will show up. And so you can see that I'm attached to that party. And then people can go ahead and just order on that. And then it'll attach it to that party. These orders will be direct shipped to the customers. And so if you're wanting the free shipping for a party order over $500, then you will want them to actually give you the order, and then you'll place it at the time you're going to close your party. But this is a great way people that aren't in your area or people on your Facebook or whatever can go ahead and take a look at your website and place orders. So feel free to message me if you have any questions, but good luck.